Hi there, I'm an AI clone of Moodup CEO Danny Stefanik, and today, I want to quickly highlight how the Metaverse can help create and empower communities, which is something vital, especially in today's digital world. A wonderful example of this is the Event Designers Workshop hosted in Moodup. Before we hear more about the virtual gathering though, let's put the Designers Workshop into focus. Founded by interior designer Camille Glenn, the collective empowers young Black designers. The organization aims to reverse the lack of Black representation in the field of design by amplifying stories, sharing ideas, and providing resources. With the Visibility Design event, Designers Workshop set out on a mission to create an online gathering. Was the event a success? Absolutely. So let's push forward and discover the main key performance indicators and what platform features enabled them. Number 1. Accessibility and the guest list. Moodup is accessible directly in the browser, which means all 147 guests, including Asad Sikit, the editor-in-chief at El Decor, could access the Metaverse event from any device from anywhere in the world without having to download or install anything. Number 2. Collaboration features. Attendees access the Metaverse spaces using 3D and video avatars. Collaboration features such as one-to-one and group video calls, private chat, private audio zones, and spatial audio facilitated vibrant discussions on topics such as breaking toxic tolerances and to be young, gifted, and Black, offering opportunities to share best practices and show collective encouragement to the Black design community. Over 1,400 visits were recorded in the 3D spaces available in the Designers Workshop Metaverse, with over 1,500 calls initiated and nearly 300 private messages sent across the world. Number 3. Fully customizable and brandable spaces and 3D booths for sponsor engagement. The Designers Workshop team used virtual spaces templates and 3D booths provided by Moodup and customized them with interactive media assets and sponsor branding. The gathering was a big draw for sponsors with names such as the Rockwell Group, Carnegie, and Anit Architects offering support. Another great indicator of an event's success is the participant feedback. Here are a couple of messages from attendees that speak for themselves. Great start. Looking forward to participating in the next events, said one participant. Bravo, bravo, bravo. A huge undertaking and an exciting event. Thank you for including me, said another. The Designers Workshop efforts, an event in the Metaverse undertaken in collaboration with Moodup, was an important development for the Black community. By offering a safe space to Black designers, the community had the chance to be seen and build a singleness of purpose. Moodup has a detailed case study with even more info about the event, so be sure to check that out.